Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I cook Chinese vegetable fried rice. So if you want to know how to make Chinese vegetable fried rice, just continue watching. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So now I'm gonna add I'm adding a little oil into my frying pan. So here I will need 2 eggs. So I'm just gonna break my egg. So I will add a little salt. I will add black pepper. So I'll mix it together. So I will add my egg. So I will just keep shaking it so that it will not burn. So I'm gonna keep this aside. So I will add oil into this pot. So I'm gonna add my onion. I will just let it brown for about 3 seconds. So I'm gonna add my garlic. So stir all together. So I will add my vegetables. Just mix all together. So my egg that I keep aside, so I'm just gonna break it. I'll use the spoon to break it off. So I'm gonna transfer my egg here. So I'm gonna add my spring onion. So now I'm gonna add my soy sauce. Some people prefer adding it with the rice, but me, I like adding it before I add the rice. So just add some soy sauce together and stir it. So I will add my fish sauce also. I'm gonna add like two spoons of fish sauce. I'm just gonna stir everything together. I'll add my prawn. I'll add my mushroom. So now I wash my rice. I cooked and I washed. I use cold water to wash. So I don't want the rice to be sticky. That is why I use cold water. So I'm gonna add my rice now. So this is about 2.5 cups of rice. So I'm gonna like mixing it together. So I'm gonna add a little more soy sauce because I want it to be a little bit brown. So I will add the remaining spring onion. So guys, my fried rice is ready. As you can see, very easy to make, delicious. If you've not cooking Chinese fried rice before, please do so. This is very delicious, very easy to make, no stress. So that is how to cook Chinese fried rice. So you can join me to eat this rice. You try it, just subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Please subscribe, share this video to help someone. Thank you so much. You can drop your comment for any question. I am ready to answer, to attend to all of your questions. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you. Love you. Bye.